Alright guys, so we got this portable air compressor. We're going to test it out. This is my buddy's car, I don't think he'll mind. This was sent to us by an Amazon seller. The link is going to be in the description. I'm going to just let some air out of his tire here. This is what friends are for. Curious to see how this thing works. It's supposed to be automatic, and pretty neat little package actually. I have one home that's a different brand, and I don't like it for various reasons. I'm gonna lay this thing down here so you guys can see it, and I'm gonna just kind of zoom you in. See, it's got a digital screen, and I'm going to pop this guy on. We're at 16 psi. Switch it on, and we will see if this thing stops at 32.5 where it's supposed to, where we set it at. It does come with instructions, with an instruction manual, so pretty simple to use. And we'll let this thing just fill up. I'll let it do it in real time so you can see how long it takes. This thing comes with some other adapters, an extra fuse. Nice little package if it works right. I think it will. Seems to so far. Not even warm. You can see the display. It's up to 26 already. 27. This thing is obviously not going to fill tires up like shop air would, but if you're out somewhere and you need to fill a tire, it'll definitely appear to do the job. Not too shabby. I gotta admit, it's noisy, but it's not as noisy as the one I have home. That thing will rattle your head loose, man. This isn't that bad. And I am right on top of it, so I'll step away with the mic for a bit. It's actually pretty quiet. I'm standing about 2.5 feet, 3 feet away from it right now. The other one would still be rattling your brain loose. And we're, if you watch that, we're at 32 psi. We're almost there. Not too bad. And there it is. Shuts off, and we're measuring 31.5. So we're very close. We can check that. Yeah, we're right on the money, 32 psi. So this thing does work. So to go over the features, really not a lot to show, but it's pretty basic, pretty simple to use. You have your extremely long cord for this thing. All right, this thing is plenty long. All right, plenty of cord to get inside the car to your cigarette lighter. I was not attached to the cigarette lighter on this. I was using an adapter so that I can go right to the battery on the car. but the unit's light. The plastic case seems to be pretty decently made, and it's got rubber feet on it, so that when you put it down, it won't, you know, it won't damage the case, scratch it, and it won't walk all over the place while the compressor's running. Overall, it's pretty cool. The hose is, you know, decently long. It's about 2 feet. So when you store it, you will just wrap this back, and there's a groove here for it to sit in, and it'll hold it all the way around. And the unit just kind of tucks in like that, and you can even wrap the cord inside of the grooves here. This is designed to be wrapped up for easy storage. You know, quality, I mean, I can't tell you too much. I haven't used it. I just took it out of the box now to test it. It does perform as it's supposed to, and that's pretty much it. So if you guys are in need of something, this is definitely an option. I have the link in the description below where you can buy it. Not too shabby. It says, oh, by the way, the rating on this thing, 150 psi max. For the basic tires, you'd have no problem. I mean, it inflated the car tire here from 16 to 32 psi in, you know, a matter of a couple of minutes. It's not bad, and like I said, the automatic feature is pretty cool. So if you're in need, this might be a good unit for you. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.